Crash Course on French Art, an overview of French art, including famous artists such as Monet, Renoir, and Matisse. Bonjour. Welcome to our crash course on French art. France has a rich and storied artistic tradition, and has produced some of the most influential artists in history. In this article, we will provide an overview of French art, discuss some interesting stories and examples, and list and describe the top 12 famous French artists. Overview of French art. French art encompasses a wide range of artistic styles, from medieval illuminated manuscripts to contemporary installations. However, it is perhaps best known for its contributions to Impressionism, a style of painting that emerged in the late 19th century and sought to capture the fleeting effects of light and color. Impressionism was pioneered by artists such as Claude Monet, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, and Edgar Degas, who sought to break free from the traditional styles and techniques of the time. They embraced plein air painting, or painting outdoors, to capture the changing light and atmosphere of their surroundings. Their loose brushstrokes and vibrant colors were a departure from the polished, detailed paintings that had been popular for centuries. French art also includes other movements such as Cubism, Surrealism, and Fauvism. Artists such as Pablo Picasso, Henri Matisse, and Joan Miro pushed the boundaries of traditional painting, experimenting with new forms and techniques. Interesting stories and examples. One of the most famous examples of French art is the painting Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. While Van Gogh was a Dutch painter, he spent a significant amount of time in France and was heavily influenced by French art and culture. Starry Night was painted while he was staying at an asylum in Saint-Rémy-de-Provence, and depicts the view from his window at night. The swirling, dreamlike sky and vivid colors have made it one of the most recognizable and beloved paintings in the world. Another interesting example of French art is the stained glass windows of Chartres Cathedral. Built in the 13th century, the cathedral is considered a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and features over 150 stained glass windows. The windows depict scenes from the Bible and various saints and martyrs, and are known for their intricate designs and brilliant colors. They are considered some of the finest examples of medieval stained glass in the world. Top 12 famous French artists. Claude Monet, known for his iconic paintings of water lilies and the gardens of his home in Giverny. Pierre-Auguste Renoir, best known for his portraits of society women and his depictions of outdoor scenes. Henri Matisse, a leader of the Fauvism movement, known for his bold use of color and simple, fluid shapes. Edgar Degas, known for his paintings and sculptures of ballerinas, as well as his depictions of modern life in Paris. Paul Cézanne, considered a pioneer of modern art, known for his explorations of color and form. Georges Seurat, known for his pointillist technique, in which he used small dots of color to create larger images. Paul Gauguin, known for his vivid depictions of life in Tahiti and other exotic locales. Gustave Courbet, a leader of the realist movement, known for his unidealized depictions of everyday life. Edouard Manet, considered a bridge between realism and impressionism, known for his provocative paintings of Parisian society. Auguste Rodin, known for his sculptures, including The Thinker and The Kiss. Joan Miro, a Spanish artist who spent much of his career in France, known for his surrealist paintings and sculptures. Pablo Picasso, a Spanish artist who spent much of his career in France. Picasso is considered one of the most influential artists of the 20th century. He was a pioneer of Cubism, a movement that sought to break down the traditional forms of painting and sculpture into abstract shapes and patterns. Picasso was also known for his political activism and his exploration of different mediums, including sculpture, ceramics, and printmaking. Other notable French artists include Eugène Delacroix, who was a leader of the Romantic movement and known for his epic historical paintings, Berthe Morisot, who was one of the few female artists to gain recognition in the male-dominated art world of the 19th century, and Jean Dubuffet, who was a founder of the Art Brut movement and known for his raw, primitive style. In addition to these individual artists, France has also been home to several important art movements and institutions. The École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, founded in 1648, was one of the most influential art schools in the world and trained many of the most famous French artists. The Musée d'Orsay in Paris is home to one of the world's largest collections of Impressionist and post-Impressionist art, including works by Monet, Renoir, and Van Gogh. Summary: French art has a long and storied history, encompassing a wide range of styles and movements. Impressionism is perhaps the most well-known of these movements, with artists such as Monet, Renoir, and Degas pushing the boundaries of traditional painting to capture the fleeting effects of light and color. Other notable French artists include Matisse, Picasso, and Rodin, each of whom made significant contributions to the world of art. France's rich artistic tradition continues to inspire and influence artists around the world to this day. Poem: The land of art, O France, how grand! A storied past, we understand. Impressionists, bold and bright. Their brushstrokes bring the world to light. Monet's lilies, Renoir's dames. Their works still evoke the same emotion, beauty, and delight that captivated hearts in their own time. Matisse's colors, Gauguin's dreams. New movements sprung, new visions gleamed. Picasso's shapes, Rodin's curves. Artists thrived with each new nerve. France's art is a tapestry of styles and movements, endlessly intricate, vibrant, and alive. Inspiring wonder, we can't deny. Here is a song on French art. ChatGPT. Verse 1. In the land of France, where the artists roam, their passion for beauty is their home. From the Impressionists with their brushstrokes bold, to Picasso's Cubism, a story untold. Chorus. French art, oh how it inspires. From the colors to the shapes, it ignites our fires. A tapestry of movements and styles. A journey through time, mile by mile. Verse 2. Monet's lilies, Renoir's dames. Capturing moments, their legacy remains. Matisse's colors, so bright and pure. A feast for the eyes, an eternal allure. Chorus. French art, oh how it inspires. From the colors to the shapes, it ignites our fires. A tapestry of movements and styles. A journey through time, mile by mile. Bridge. The streets of Paris, the banks of Seine. The artists gather, their passions unrestrained. In their minds, a world of wonder. On the canvas, a masterpiece they ponder. Chorus. French art, oh how it inspires. From the colors to the shapes, it ignites our fires. A tapestry of movements and styles. A journey through time, mile by mile. Outro. In the land of France, where the artists roam, their passion for beauty is their home. French art, a legacy of wonder. Forever inspiring, a true treasure to ponder. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences France has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to France, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A = 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Hub Metaverse team.